So many migrants who are living here in the UK do not have this information I'll be sharing with you. This information is very key to all migrants living here in the UK. Hi guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you some exciting news on how you can gain value for money as a migrant living here in the UK, right? Information, as we all know, is the key to success. With the right information, you will not have any reason to learn in the hard way. So guys, you need to watch this video to the end and share with all your contacts. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel or you are coming across this channel for the first time, in this channel, I give latest updates on UK and UK immigration, ways you can migrate to another kingdom, and ways you can study abroad. If this content looks exciting to you and you gain value for this video, don't forget to share with your contact and subscribe to this channel to join the amazing evergreen family. And you can as well leave your thought on the comment box what you think about this video. You can as well give a thumb up so YouTube can recommend this content to a wider audience. So guys, without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. Hi guys, as a migrant living here in the UK, right, if you spend a minimum of 12 months in the UK on a pre-settlement visa, no matter the class of visa you are using, either skilled worker visa, youth mobility visa, innovators, founders and visa, family and visa, or business visa, in as much you are living here legally in the UK on a pre-settlement visa, this video is for you. So guys, in this video, I'll be sharing with you ways you can gain value for money as a migrant living here in the UK. So many migrants who are living here in the UK do not have this information I'll be sharing with you. This information is very key to all migrants living here in the UK. This way, you'll be able to get value for whatever you are doing here in the UK. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can secure mortgage as a migrant living here in the UK. The news out there is, before you can be able to get a mortgage as a migrant, you must have an indefinite leave to remain here in the UK, or you already become a British citizen before you can be able to access mortgage. But in this video, I will be explaining to you how you can be able to acquire mortgage with just minimum 12-month residency here in the UK, and you can get mortgage with a 10% deposit from different Main Street lender. So guys, let's sit back and relax and get the full information. If you gain value for this video, don't forget to share with all your contacts so migrants who are living in the UK can as well get value for this video. So guys, as a migrant living here in the UK, if you've lived here for more than 12 months and you are still paying rent to somebody, you are not doing yourself any favor. Do you know you can actually be paying towards owning the property you are living on the long run? Mortgage is one product that do not add additional burden to your expense or to your cost of living. Because as a migrant, as long as you are living in the UK, you will definitely need an apartment where you will live with your family, for those who have family, right? So if living in an apartment where you are paying rent to the landlord or the agent that gives you the apartment, why don't you channel that rental value, that amount you are paying for rent, into servicing your mortgage towards owning the property on the long run? Like I said, mortgage is one product that do not add additional burden or additional expense to your cost of living. Most of the time, the amount you will use in servicing your mortgage will be lesser than the amount you are paying for rent to your landlord or your agent. So guys, if you are living here in the UK and you will spend minimum 12 months on a skilled worker visa or pre-settlement visa, you can actually get a mortgage with a 10% deposit. If you approach your bank or most of the broker around, most of them will tell you will need minimum of 25% deposit before you can be able to access mortgage, because you don't have enough address history to be able to cover the period that they require. So guys, I have a good team that I can refer you to that will help you process your mortgage. Before I will refer you to the team that will help you process the mortgage if you are interested, I'll first of all run through your affordability and other eligibility criteria to be sure that your mortgage application will scale through, because getting the right information will save you time and money. Some persons who try to make a mortgage application, but because they do not have the right information handy before trying to make a move towards that direction, they end up wasting their time and money. So guys, if you are living in the UK with a pre-settlement visa and you have minimum 12-month residency and you are not thinking towards owning a home in the UK, you are not doing yourself a favor. It will amaze you to know that the property you are currently living, somebody is actually using your rental value to service the mortgage towards owning the property on the long run. So if somebody is using your rent to service a mortgage as a buy-to-let property, why don't you try and see how you can get a mortgage and be servicing it towards owning it on the long run? Mortgage in the UK is so flexible. There are different terms that I'll be sharing with you in my subsequent video. There's something we call first-time buyer. As a first-time buyer, there are some benefits that accrues to you. This is one area migrants like you and me can easily benefit from, right? So first-time buyer is those who have not acquired property before, right? So there's some leverage you will have, just some incentive that comes with first-time buyer. Also, if you want to buy to let, there's something called buy to let. So guys, in my next video, I'll explain the step-by-step process on how you can apply for mortgage as a migrant living here in the UK with minimum 12-month residency here in the UK. Either you're on a skilled worker visa or any form of a pre-settlement visa with minimum 12-month residency in the UK. If you're a migrant and you're not thinking towards that direction, you are not doing yourself any favor. You can leave a message on the comment box and we can pick it up from there. If you want to seek one-on-one with me, there's a Telegram group beneath the description box of this video. You can join the Telegram group and private chat me if you don't want to leave a comment on the group, so you can have a one-on-one interaction with me on how you can go about securing a mortgage and own a property for yourself in the UK. This is one of the best ways you can gain value for money. At the long run, even if you don't want to live here in the UK for the rest of your life, you can as well put the property on sale or mortgage it out to someone else and get a good profit. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you get value for this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to join the amazing ever-growing family. You can as well leave your thoughts, what you think about this video, and if you want to have one-on-one interaction with me, you can leave a comment on the description box and we can take it up from there. You can give a thumb up also so YouTube can recommend this content to a wider audience, because there are so many migrants living in the UK who are looking forward to get such a valuable information and assistance. You can as well share with all your friends and contacts so that many migrants living in the UK can gain access to this content. See you in my next video.